So finally got the Amazfit BIP in 2019. I know it's really late, but I've been wanting to get this for a long time, and I really feel that this is one of the best fitness watches in this price segment. So anyway, let's do an unboxing and give you my first impressions after especially using Honor Band 4 and other smart bands. So guys, like this video and also subscribe. Let's begin the video. So as you can see, I just got this for about 4,500 rupees, and for that price it is really a good deal. And in the box you're only getting the watch and the charger, and there is no manual to my surprise. But anyway, so that's it. Now looking at the watch, actually the first impressions, it is really lightweight. I mean, if I compare this with the Noise Color Fit, it feels really heavy. It almost feels like double the weight. I mean, it's only about 31 grams, so definitely very lightweight. Anyway, so let's power it on, and this switch also doubles up as a home button as well. So as you can see, we need to pair it up. So download the Mi Fit app, and also guys, I suggest you to download the MS tools for more customizations. I'm going to show that in the upcoming videos. But anyway, pairing was painless and pretty easy, so everything was pretty good. Now at the first glance at the display, I was like, what? Because guys, if you look at the display, it has a lower resolution, and look at the ratings. I feel the ratings are a little bit on the harsh side. I mean, especially coming from Honor Band 4 or even some other fitness watches in this price range, the display definitely looks less visually appealing. But once I moved to the direct sunlight, you can see this is sun hitting down really hard, and you can see the display crystal clear, guys. And this, I can say, is one of the best displays on a smartwatch that I have used so far, period. And even with a display of this size, it can last around 30 to 45 days, which is insane. And on top of that, it is actually always on display. So considering all this, I'd say the display is really good. Now taking a look at some of the main specs, especially around that display, it has 1.28 inch 2.5D curved glass, and also it has Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is really good and not seen in this budget price range. And also it has the GPS with GLONASS, so definitely for those who are into outdoor activities, this can track your map and all the stuff, so that is pretty good as well. So definitely looking at all of these features, I'd say this is one of the best offerings from the Huami or the Xiaomi. Now taking a look at the menu, yes, first of all, it is a fully touchscreen, so that's really good. And the menu also looks modern and rich and easy to navigate through, as you can see, and you can pretty much manage everything on the band itself. And you also have the, of course, the app support as well. So these are some of the menu items that you can see on the screen, and I would like to mainly point out the watch faces. So another strong point is that you can download a ton of watch faces, and you also have some built-in watch faces, as you can see, and they already look really good. And you can make this look new every day, so that's really a great feature in my opinion, because you never get bored of this. And I'll also show you some of the cool watch faces in the upcoming videos, but as you can see, they already look really good. So these were just my first impressions. If you have any questions or suggestions, comment down below. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.